Quaker School is one of the lead schools for religious studies with ERU, and part of that means that I've been responsible for creating resources for the new GCSE specification. So the playlist, one of the playlists that I've produced has been on Judaism, and that is for the first unit of the GCSE for the new specification. I'd never had any experience with hub or playlists or anything before. What I wanted to start off with was what a teacher needs, and basically they need resources and they need to keep the children obviously interested and engaged, but at the same time prepare them ready for an exam. So what I made sure was that there was a variety of activities on the playlist. So for example, there are things like PowerPoints, there's a YouTube clip that I made with my daughter, there are worksheets for pupils, and generally it's an all-inclusive thing to teach. So it can be downloaded as booklets, it can be used actually as a resource if pupils can access it, they can use it for revision. But my main aim was to make sure that there was everything there for the teacher to feel confident that they had everything they needed and that everything met the actual spec. The motivation came from working with ERU. When going to all the other different PLCs, everybody was short of time, everybody was short of resources, and the new specification came along, and it is very content heavy with a lot of new content that we haven't covered before. And I felt, therefore, through my role as ERU, that to make resources and to help other people would be the best thing to do. I felt I could really offer other members of staff something that they would find useful.
Miss Rose is fantastic teaching, and probably my favourite thing is the fact it's so easy to understand. You go on the hub and you've got lots of different things you can access, and the information's much more digestible, and probably the best thing is you can go over it whenever you want. It's really easily accessible. I think more teachers of subjects should use hub as it offers a new dimension to learning.
Personally, to know that other people are using my resources, I suppose, gives you a bit of confidence, really, that your resources they must be quite good after all. And it is very nice to get a seal of approval, especially from your peers, who sometimes can be your biggest critics. But the fact that other people are actually willing to use my ideas and use my resources, I take as a huge compliment.